Physical exercise is an important part of maintaining overall health and well-being. While there are many different types of exercises that can be beneficial, push-ups are a popular and effective exercise for building upper body strength and endurance. Doing 100 push-ups every day is a challenging goal, but it can yield significant benefits for the body. In this video, we'll talk about what will happen to your body if you do 100 push-ups every day. Let's get started. Number 1. Improved upper body strength. One of the most notable benefits of doing 100 push-ups every day is the improvement in upper body strength. Push-ups are a compound exercise that work multiple muscle groups in the chest, shoulders, triceps, back, and core. By consistently performing this exercise, these muscles are engaged and challenged, leading to growth and increased strength over time. Having a strong upper body not only improves your physical abilities and activities, such as sports and weightlifting, but also helps with everyday tasks, such as lifting and carrying objects. Moreover, increased upper body strength can also improve overall posture and reduce the risk of injury in the upper body. Number 2. Increased muscular endurance. Another benefit of doing 100 push-ups every day is increased muscular endurance. Muscular endurance refers to the ability of a muscle or muscle group to sustain effort over an extended period of time. Because push-ups require not just strength, but also endurance to perform, consistently doing 100 push-ups each day can help improve this aspect of fitness. Increased muscular endurance can have many practical applications, such as being able to perform more repetitions of other exercises or being able to sustain effort for longer periods of time during sports or other physical activities. It can also help with everyday tasks that require sustained effort, such as cleaning, yard work, or carrying heavy objects. Number 3. Better posture. In addition to improving strength and endurance, doing 100 push-ups every day can also help improve posture. Push-ups primarily work the muscles of the chest, shoulders, and upper back, which are important for maintaining good posture. By building and strengthening these muscles through regular push-up practice, you may find that you are able to stand and sit up straighter with less strain on your neck and lower back. Good posture has many benefits, such as reducing the risk of back pain and improving breathing and digestion. It can also make you look more confident and poised, which can have psychological benefits as well. Number 4. Reduced risk of injury. Another potential benefit of doing 100 push-ups every day is a reduced risk of injury. Building strength and endurance through push-ups can help protect the joints and muscles of the upper body, which are often susceptible to injury. Stronger muscles and better posture can help improve alignment and reduce strain on the joints, decreasing the likelihood of strains, sprains, and other injuries. Additionally, by engaging the core muscles during push-ups, you can also improve stability and reduce the risk of falls or other accidents. By reducing the risk of injury, you can enjoy physical activity and everyday life with more confidence and less pain. Number 5. Increased calorie burn. The final benefit of doing 100 push-ups every day is increased calorie burn. While push-ups alone may not burn a significant number of calories, incorporating them into a daily exercise routine can help increase overall calorie burn throughout the day. Building muscle through push-ups can increase metabolism and lead to greater calorie burn during and after exercise. Additionally, having more muscle mass in the upper body can help you burn more calories during other activities, such as walking, running, or even just sitting and typing. Over time, this increased calorie burn can help you maintain a healthy weight and improve overall physical fitness. The bottom line is, doing 100 push-ups every day can yield many potential benefits for the body, including improved strength, endurance, posture, reduced risk of injury, and increased calorie burn. While 100 push-ups may seem daunting, it is important to remember that progress takes time and consistency. Starting with smaller sets of push-ups and gradually increasing the number can help build strength and endurance without overexerting the body. Moreover, it is important to balance push-ups with other forms of exercise to ensure overall fitness and prevent overuse injuries. With proper technique and a commitment to regular practice, doing 100 push-ups every day can be a challenging yet rewarding way to improve your physical health and well-being. So, will you try to reach the goal of 100 push-ups every day? Let us know in the comments below.